friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some knowledgeable GK question relating to Teachers Day. So let's start. So Teachers Day is celebrated on the birthday of S. Radhakrishnan, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel or Jawaharlal Nehru. You can comment your answers below in the comment box. So the correct answer is A. S. Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher plus the first Vice President of India. Then which country respect their teachers the most? India, France, USA or China? The correct answer is D. China. Here teachers are considered even higher than doctors. The most respectable person in Chinese society is a teacher. Then the third question is which country has no exam? Italy, Germany, France or Finland? The correct answer is Finland. Finland has no standardized test, only one national exam for upper secondary schools. Then which country has highest number of Nobel Prize winners? Germany, the United States, India or France? The correct answer is the United States. India is on the 17th rank with 13 Nobel Prize winners, in which 9 are total Indian and rest 4 and 2 are having citizenship of India and 2 are born in India. Then the second country with highest Nobel Prize winners is United Kingdom. Then third is Germany. Fourth is France. Then the next question is which country pays their teachers the most? Luxembourg, Canada, Switzerland or Germany? So the correct answer is Switzerland. Switzerland pays 80,67,675 rupees annually to a teacher. Then which country has highest number of universities? Spain, United States, India or Argentina? The correct answer is B. India with 8,407 universities. Then United States with 5,759 universities. Then Argentina with 1,705 universities. And then Spain with 1,415 universities. The first university was also in India. So you know that the first university was Nalanda University. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Bonus fact: the first university of the world was founded in India, namely Nalanda University, which was burnt by Mughals, and the fire continued in the library of Nalanda for 6 months due to the presence of a large number of knowledgeable books. A large number of foreigner students studied in Nalanda University, and it was in Bihar, Patna, and still over there. The burning of Nalanda was a very high loss for India. It is still there in Patna, but it is now not a building of university. It is just a damaged building. बिल्कुल खंडर हो गई है वो. बहुत ही great loss था ये हमारे देश के लिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.